So like everyone else, I was online looking for side hustles for voiceovers. There are a lot of where-tos, but there are no how-tos. So I'm going to talk about how you can start your voiceover career at home. Now I'm sure you're asking yourself, that's fantastic, Anna, but why in the world are we in your car? Well, that's because I just Hey, what's happening? Thank you so much for dropping by. And if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Anna. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. And of course, I'd like to invite you to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or even better, if you hit the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell so that I can let you know if I have anything new out. Well, anyway, I'm especially excited about this video because it has always been my intention coming into YouTube to be of help to even one person. And I think with this topic that we're about to talk about today, I have a few tips up my sleeve. So if you think you have what it takes to be a voiceover talent, well then I invite you to keep on watching. So let me introduce myself to you again. My name is Anna and I'm a voiceover talent. I've been doing this for more than 10 years now. I've done radio commercials.
When choosing a yogurt, make sure that it has live microorganisms. It's important that it's live.
TV commercials.
Take it breezy, mommy. Kayang-kaya ng yan. Si mommy ang bahala kay baste. Ang bahala sa mancha.
AVPs.
Want a shot at winning a GoPro Hero 4? Be part of Ideal Shot campaign,
IVRs, and everything else in between. Now, while some of those commercials I did record in professional recording studios, some of them I recorded here in my own bedroom with my own studio setup. Now, there are countless YouTube posts out there that tell us where to get voiceover gigs, but very few tell us how to start our voiceover career at home. So I would like to add to those posts by giving you tips on how to start recording your demo reels at home. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Anna, where do I record here at home? I don't have a recording studio. Okay, well this is the time to get creative. So I'll tell you what you need. The first thing you would need is a good microphone. Now I'm not talking about the built-in microphone on your phone or even the one on your earphones or the one on your DSLR camera, because your potential clients will be paying for a good quality sound, and if you don't deliver that, then there's a good chance that they will not pick you. They will always ask if you have a setup and a good microphone at home. So it's very good to invest in a microphone like this one. I have this Samsung CO3U microphone. It's a USB. It's a cardioid microphone, a super cardioid microphone. Now when you say super cardioid, it means it only records what's in front of it and it doesn't record, or it's not too sensitive about what's in the back. So that helps when you're trying to eliminate background noises in your bedroom. Second thing that you need is your laptop, because you would need something to plug your microphone to, and also you need to download a recording software, and that is the next thing that you would need. I always use Audacity because it's free and it's easy to use, and it gives me everything I need to record and clean my file before I send it to client. And you would also need to download a sample of a voice-over script. Trust me, you need this so that you know what to say when you press record. And try to get some varieties in there. Something happy, something fun, something sad, something very corporate, and something very light. Just make sure that your demo reel showcases your talent as a voiceover, and that means doing more than one kind of voice. Alright, I think we're ready to do our makeshift studio. What do you need? You need towels. Lots and lots and lots of towels. Okay, so this is the exciting part. Let's talk about putting up that makeshift studio. What else do you need? You need a closet, like this one. Ta-da! Welcome to our makeshift studio. sweating when I do my videos, so full disclosure, side hustles aren't always glamorous. You're gonna sweat because you need to turn off your electric fan, your air conditioning, and also shut your windows closed, just like what I talked about in my other video. Have you seen that? It's called the best budget microphone for new YouTubers. If you haven't yet, please visit the link here. So you want to cover all the smooth areas here, okay? So let's cover that up. Some pillows will also help. With the laptop, I don't like putting it too close to the microphone because when it heats up, the fan inside will turn on and the microphone can catch that. So make sure that you move it as far away as you can as possible. Okay, so here we are. This is our makeshift studio. This is just my closet with all of my clothes in here that serves as insulation or things that can absorb the sound so it doesn't bounce off of the walls, because I do have bare walls in this room. Now, I think a better illustration for that is if you have a ping pong ball and you throw it against the wall and it will just shoot right to the other wall and bounce back and it will keep on bouncing and bouncing. And that's how it is with our voice too. So we don't want that to happen because all of those bouncing, the microphone will catch that, and that's why we have reverbs and all that kind of sound that our potential clients will not want in your file when you send it to them, especially if they've hired you already. They want it clean, they want it ready for use. I've actually recorded paid projects with this setup, so don't knock it until you've tried it. And now we're ready to record. Now my tip for you is don't go in cold. You have to exercise your mouth as well as your throat. So try to do some mouth exercises. So just open your mouth wide, ah, and then stick your tongue out, and then do your tongue exercises as well. And then do the other mouth exercises. I'm just kidding, you don't have to do the last part. In all seriousness though, you really need to do some mouth exercises before you read your script. That way you can open your mouth as wide as you can and as wide as it needs to be. And sometimes you're not even aware of it, that your mouth only opens up to here. So you have to make sure that your jaws are already open before you record. So ah, a, e, o, u. Hey, maybe on my next video I can show you more tips or the actual process of what I do before, during, and after I record a voiceover. Okay, let's record something. So first you want to check your levels first. So read off something off of your sample script and just check. So with the makeshift, you really have to go through your clothes. So press record, there you go, and let's just record something. Moments are what make up life, moments of inspiration, moments of impact, and moments of silence. And then let's play it back so we can hear it. Yes, the level is really good. I don't hear any background noise. Okay, so let's do this. Moments are what make up life, moments of inspiration, moments of impact, and moments of silence. Okay, real quickly, I just want to show you what I do with the files that I've recorded. I don't do much, okay, because I want the sound engineer to be able to manipulate my file, so I try to send it as raw as I can. I will erase any mistakes that I have, so let's just say, for example, this is a mistake. I'll highlight that and I will delete it. And I would also clean up the file from any long breaths or pauses, and just make sure that he gets just what he needs and nothing else. Okay, so now you're telling me, okay, Anna, great, you have a closet. I don't have my own closet. I share my room with my sister, my brother, or my parents, or whoever. I can't do it in my closet. That's just out of the question. Well, I have one more solution for you, and that will take us back to our intro.
And so we're back in my car. So you're saying you don't have a closet of your own, or there's no closet in the house that you can use for recording? This is another solution. Your car, or your brother's car, or your father's car, whosever car you can borrow. This is actually a very good vocal booth because all cars are built with insulation, plus there are no hard corners here, and all the fabrics in your car will actually help absorb all the voice reflections. If you're worried about the windows, you can go ahead and cover it with some towels because we have a lot of towels already. I've also recorded some actual projects in here and it served me very well. Okay, let's try to record something. Let's say we're recording something for an IVR of what is a phone number that I remember? What is it? 87000 Jollibee Delivery? Let's just say, good morning. You've reached Jollibee Delivery. To place an order, press 1. To check up on your delivery, press 2. To change your order, press 3. Otherwise, stay on the line and an operator will be with you momentarily. I don't know, I made up the script, so yeah, so it works, right? So, if you don't have a closet, you find yourself a car to record in. I'm not gonna lie to you, it gets really hot inside your car after a while. So my tip for you is to learn your script ahead of time, so by the time you're ready to record, you will be done in no time. And that's all I have for you today. I'm hoping you're already thinking about recording your demo reel, whether inside your closet or inside your car. But just start somewhere so you can already dip your toes in the water. I have so many other tips that I wanted to share with you, but I think this video is getting a little too long. If you have any questions, please don't be shy. Please leave me a message down below so I can get back to you. And if there are any voiceover talents watching out there, and if you have suggestions or recommendations, please also share it with our friends here on the comment section down below so that we can learn from one another. And before I let you go, please hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. Tap that notification bell just so you know if I have anything new. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you found it helpful. But for now, I'll wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you on my next video. And if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Anna. Thank you so much for being here. There are very few that tell us how to start our voiceover career, and that is why I'm here. What? Am I here for that? And I think with this topic that we're about to talk about today, that we're going to talk about. So with this topic that we're about to talk about, a lot of abouts. So with this topic that we're about to talk about, I don't get it. How come it sounds wrong?